and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. My name is Ellen and today is Vlogmas day 13. Yes, it is day 13, 2025. It's Saturday. It's a gloomy day here. We are expecting the 4-letter word snow. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this video done so I can get out and do the little last minute things I need to do before I come back. And yeah, I need to start baking some of those cookies. So today's video will be about what's in the box and why I ordered it. There are many that I make gifts for. You know, I do shawls and wearables and I gift them. I have a younger sister who I lovingly call the Hat Queen, and she has many call them DSP, they're support persons, you know, assist in her care. So I like to make things and gift it to the women, and yeah, it gives me a reason. You know, I love to crochet, but we can't keep everything, and I'm not one to sell the things that I make. I generally gift them. And even people have asked me, could you make this? And they want to pay me. And I'm like, I do this. This is, keeps me busy. They say it keeps your mind active. And yeah, it's a great craft. In any case, let's get off them. Ellen, always talking. So this past summer, I made what I called my Tipsy cardigan. Okay, and I've worn this quite often. This I made out of bamboo, and this is a loops and threads, soft and silky, I think it's called. It's lovely yarn. It makes a beautiful fabric to drape. Okay, and there is the Tipsy stitch. You can find a tutorial for the Tipsy stitch on Crystal Bagotay's channel. That's how I learned the stitch. But the cardigan is, you know, it's just your basic cardigan pattern, and I use the stitch. There is a recipe on my channel, but the tutorial for the stitch is on Crystal's channel. So the color is smoke. Okay, and I really enjoyed working with this yarn. However, those of us that have shopped in Michael's, you will know that they don't always have all the colorways you may want. They may not have enough in stock for what you need. I actually had to go to 2 different Michael's because I needed more, and there wasn't enough. And this is not a large project. Yeah, it is what it is. So, and we no longer have Joanne, and Hobby Lobby, they do have a bamboo yarn, but I believe it has acrylic in it. And while it's beautiful, it's not as drapey. I don't feel it's as drapey as the 100%. So, what did I see? Black Friday, Lion Brand had an amazing sale. Their bag deals. So if you bought a bag of yarn, you got a bag free. And I took great advantage of their sale. Let me show you what I got. There's a reason why I purchased this. Not that I needed a reason to buy yarn, but as I said, I was looking, when I saw this and I saw the deal, I said I had to get it, and they have beautiful colors. So let me show you. Okay, now the loops and threads, soft and silky, is currently on sale, I think for $5.24, something like that. Okay, and I got, Lion Brand has a yarn, it's called Botanical. And it's 100% lyocell, which is a natural fiber, somewhat natural. I think it's made from wood pulp. Okay, they're calling this a medium 4-weight. I have to say, this is not a 4-weight. It's more like a very light 3-weight, but it is 157 yards per skein, 144 meters, and it recommends a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Well, actually, no, it says 5.5. I would personally use a 4.0 with this, and even with that, I think you would get a beautiful drape. This color is called denim. I want to say it's really a smoky, it's a smoke. I'm guessing you could have denim jeans in that color, but I do not see a blue, but very pretty. Okay, so these were, a bag was 14, I don't know if it's on here. No, it's not. They were $14.97, something like that, for a bag of 3. And actually the regular price was $30. So these were half price on sale, and then you bought one and you got one for free. So I got 6 in the color denim. So cost-wise, they were $2.75 per skein. That is a great deal for a beautiful yarn that will make lovely shawls, tops, cardigans, perfect for summer wear, because it's just beautiful, and you know, you just couldn't pass it up. So I got 6 in the color denim, and then I got 6 in the color, I'm going to show you the colors because they still have them for the bag deal. I'm not sure if it's buy one get one free at the moment, but you know, the sales will be coming back, you know, once the new year, you know, usually like next week, they'll have their end of year blowout. This color is called silver. Beautiful, and it's definitely like a silver color. That'll make a beautiful shawl. Okay, so I got 6 in the silver. Then I got, look at this color, is amazing. Look how beautiful this is. Another lovely yellow. I do like my yellow. Okay, let me show you this color. Isn't that beautiful? It's like, looks like canaries. We had a canary when my kids were young. Okay, let me see what they're calling this. The color, a daffodil. Look how pretty that is. So yeah, I got 2. It was buy one get one free, so of course I got 1 pack and I got 1 free. Okay, another color that I got is this beautiful, oh, this looks like, to me this looks like a ballet slipper, and I'm curious to what they called it. Blush. Okay, like the color of ballet slippers. Beautiful. This is so lovely. Okay, I got 6 of those. And then this is another beautiful creamy color. I'm not sure what the, don't mind the crinkle. Cream. Beautiful cream color. And I can mix all of these colors together, or make something, do some beautiful color work. Okay, 6 of those. And then the last color, which is another beautiful color. Yeah, so I did get a lot, but you know, we don't have Joann's anymore, so, and the prices are gonna be going up. Oh, this is beautiful, dragonfly. Look how beautiful that is. I think that's one of my favorites. I really do. So if you're looking for some beautiful yarn and you are perhaps have an allergy to wool and you want to make some beautiful shawls, this is a fiber that will make a beautiful shawl. beautiful scarf, beautiful summer weight cardigan. Yeah, so if I see the sale come back on Lion Brand, I will certainly showcase it on my channel. But as I said, this is beautiful yarn, very similar, and the price is much better than Michael's. Yeah, all of this yarn, this entire box, $10 to ship. Yeah, beautiful. And if you get the bag deal, it's all sealed. Amazing colors. Well, so that was really my Vlogmas for today. Just wanted to show you some yarns that I got for wearables that I make for those that have a wool allergy. I do love my superwash wool. I'm happy I'm not allergic. But, you know, you can make beautiful wearables with other fibers. And you can make a shawl, and you can make a cardigan with an acrylic. But I do like the lighter weights, natural fibers. And that's my PSA for today. I hope you are enjoying my my Vlogmas. I will be back tomorrow to do my, let me show you, my unboxing. Yeah, I can't believe I've held out this long, but I really have. And yeah, I'm gonna miss opening all of these beautiful advents, but there's always more. There's always more beautiful yarn in the future, at least here. Okay, I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'm sorry that I gab so long. Have a great one, and I will see you most likely, if I could get my cookies done, tomorrow for my final unboxing of my Bag O' Day advent. Take care. See you on the next one. And thanks for listening. Bye now.